taking the Chao Phraya ferry to Siam. Let's go! Take the BTS train and get off at Saphan Taksin station. Head down to Sathorn Pier. Turn left and up this small bridge. Don't worry if you get lost. There's always friendly and reliable security to ask for directions.
อีกครับferry iconsiam โอเคนี่ครับ
There are also signs to guide you. There are two ferries you can take here, one to Iconsiam and the other to Asiatique. The ferry to Iconsiam has a person at a desk selling ferry tickets. You pay at the counter on the left. They'll give you a ticket token. You then give your token to the lady on the right. They do this to ensure the ferry is not over capacity. The ferry to Iconsiam costs 8 baht or US 25 cents. Time to pay. Don't forget your ticket.
โอเคขอบคุณครับ
Give your ticket to her. That's it. Really easy. Walk to the end of the pier. Better hurry. The ferry is here. There's the ferry. Look at the magnificent Chao Phraya River. Up ahead is the Four Seasons Residences, Bangkok. Gotta watch my steps. Looks like it's almost full. Yup, no more seats left. It's fine. I'll stand here for a better view. The Chao Phraya is a major river in Thailand. It starts in Nakhon Sawan in the north. It ends in the Gulf of Thailand. It meanders through the whole of Bangkok. Unfortunately, the water is brackish due to pollution. Thousands of boats use it daily. This is the Chao Phraya hop-on hop-off. An all-day pass is 150 baht. That's less than $5. There they go. There are also other river cruises available. It's almost sunset. It's lovely to watch the sky. That's the river condo. That's the Express River Ferry. They stop at all the main piers. Like a bus, there are 4 lines: orange, yellow, green and red. You can identify them by the flag at the rear. Orange line is between Nonthaburi in the north to Wat Rai Singkhorn in the south. It operates 7 days a week. Trips cost 16 baht. The yellow line travels from Nonthaburi to Sathorn from 6 am to 8 am. It goes the opposite direction of Sathorn to Nonthaburi from 5 pm to 7 pm. Trips cost 21 baht. The green line is between Pakrat and Sathorn. 6 am to 8 am it travels from Pakrat to Sathorn. From 3:50 pm to 5:45 pm, travels in the opposite direction. Trips cost between 14 to 33 baht depending on the distance. Oh, we're moving off, haha. Just in time, I guess. The boat was getting closer. The last line is the red line. It only runs 4 trips from Nonthaburi to Sathorn from 6:50 am to 7:40 am, and only 1 trip from Sathorn to Nonthaburi at 4:25 pm. Red line trips are 30 baht. The red, yellow, and green lines only run on weekdays. He's turning the boat around, cause Iconsiam is in the other direction. Look at that view. Marvelous. That is the Chao Phraya Dinner Cruise boat. It's 850 baht for a 90-minute buffet cruise. That's Sathorn Pier where we were from. That's Shangri-La, Bangkok. It's a 5-star hotel. Rooms start at $200. Yes, it also has its own dinner cruise. It's a $100 for 2.5 hours. The cruise boat is called the Shangri-La Horizon Cruise. The hotel also has a helipad, so that guests can avoid the notorious Bangkok traffic, haha. That's the Lebua State Tower. It's the sister tower to the infamous ghost tower I spoke about in the previous video. But as I mentioned, this tower was fully completed and is fully occupied. Let's see what's on the other side. Some hotels on the river operate special shuttle ferries. They look like this. That's Iconsiam. The 2 towers next to it are the Mandarin Oriental residences. Doesn't it look amazing? Ooh, a light show. He's turning the boat around to get to the pier. That's NT Tower Bangkok. There's so many people. It looks like there's an event. Skillful parking, haha. Apparently wrong spot, haha. This guy helps to secure the ferry. And we're off. We're now at iconsiam. Wow, looks even better up close. Do you want to see the inside? Catch the next video. I guess I was right. There is an event here. We'll check it out in the next vid. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, follow and subscribe. See you in the next video.